Okay, children, we're gonna learn about income and taxes today. This is my mom's friend, Arthi Auntie, right? Everyone say hi. Hello, thank you for coming.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Okay, so let's get started. Yeah, that's it. You wanna say what is this for? Oh, this is for NPFC, but also it's part of my DECA project.
That's it. Should I start now?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, perfect. Hey guys, thanks for having me today. I just a brief introduction about myself. I'm Arti, and I've been I've been working in tax for the last 15 plus years. So that's a little bit of background about me, and I'm also a certified public accountant. And I'm happy to speak with you guys today. We don't have a lot of slides today. It's just some brief introduction to you. Shiba, do you have the slides up and running? Can everybody see the slides?
Yeah, they can. So, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So, just a quick question for you all. Assume that 5 years down the line, you guys have come out, completed your studies, and you get a big offer letter or wherever you decide to work with. And when you see the offer letter, the numbers are staggering, and then you're super happy about it. But when you get your first paycheck, what do you think that your actual number will be? Do you think that whatever the company is giving you, the offer letter is what you're going to get it in your hand as a cash? What do you think?
Absolutely not.
So, do you have any idea what is going to be carved out?
It depends on the level of income it is. But I think the
Perfect.
lowest is 10% and highest is 50%. Something 40 to 40%. Yeah. I thought it was like. I think state taxes are different. Mine's like 45 or something.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm really glad that you guys have thought this through. Yes. What you get on the paper is not what you're going to get on your hand. A lot of people are ready to get a bite of what you have earned even before it reaches your hand. So if we move to the next slide, Shubha, please.
Just look at my student. Yeah, just look at it.
Yeah, so basically, this is what you're going to get. There are not just income taxes, there are multiple different taxes. For anything that you do, you have to think about what tax implications are going to be, whether you want to be entrepreneurs or you want to work with big companies. Are you going to make cash? Are you going to make stocks? Everything has a tax implication. Nothing is what it seems to be. And then you buy a property, there's property tax. You give a gift, there is gift tax. You die, there is estate tax. And then death and taxes are more certain. And whatever you do, whether you earn little or a lot, you have to think about taxes. So basically, pretty much every transaction has a tax implication. So knowing about it and planning about it will help you to avoid surprises, right? So that's the crux of it. And so, Shiva, do you mind going to the next slide? So basically, there are multiple avenues for you to think about taxes and then plan about them. How can you be smart about it? Can you defer the taxes or can you delay the taxes? When you defer the payment of taxes, how long do you have the money to play with? So, say, for example, you guys, when you're young, when you say you go and work in a restaurant or you go work in a retail shop, if you want to pick up extra cash for your spend, those things you can open a Roth IRA early in your life, and any earned income is gross tax free. So you kind of learn to invest the money. Say, for example, for the this year, you go work somewhere, pick up a summer job, and then get $5,000 or something like that, right? You can decide to put the whole money in a Roth IRA, and whatever that you invest in it grows tax free. You can learn to buy and sell stocks. You can learn to buy and sell different ETFs. And that is the crux of it. So you have to start thinking about how to grow your earnings with the invisible component of tax weighing down on you. That's something you guys have to think about. And any transaction, right? Say, for example, you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to start a business. Everything has a tax implication which you need to think about. So that is something that I wanted to share overall. Tax is a kind of vast and complex subject, and it's very personalized. There is no one cookie cutter solution for all your tax needs. So you need to have three things in life sorted out. You need to have a good tax advisor, you need to have a good attorney, and you need to have a good doctor. Somebody told me these are the three key components for you to have a sorted out and successful life as your tribe, right? Three key people.
Yeah.
So, and I think the next slide kind of gives an article reference for you. That talks about Roth IRA and how Peter Thiel kind of made billions on it. You guys would have, I'm sure you guys are aware of Peter Thiel, right? Yes or no? Or have I already lost you guys? Tax is pretty boring.
I have not heard of him.
Okay, Peter Thiel is a guy who started PayPal, and he's one of the PayPal. They call him and the gang as a PayPal mafia. He's part of Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and couple of other guys. They founded and they branched off. I think Reid Hoffman, who found the Netflix too, is part of the PayPal mafia. And each one of them went out to establish very, very successful entrepreneurial ventures in the United States. So the first group of people who found PayPal are the set of entrepreneurs who are called PayPal Mafia and who did phenomenally well in the United States. And then this article is about him contributing something to Roth IRA for $2,000, and then how this is insanely wealthy. The account grew insanely high in value, and he's not going to pay a single penny of tax on that growth and on that investment. So that's something to some interesting thing for me to leave you with. So I think that's it. I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what taxes are, what this is about, how you can watch out, and what you can do. What questions do you have, if you have any questions?
What is Roth?
Pardon me?
She asked, what is Roth? Like Roth IRA?
Oh, what is Roth IRA? IRA is an individual retirement account, and Senator Roth proposed a concept called non-taxable or so there are two types of retirement account contributions where you can defer the tax ahead of time, like your typical 401k, where you don't pay tax right now, but you pay taxes on it when you withdraw the money. Roth IRA is something just exactly opposite. You pay tax on it right now. So what you're contributing to Roth IRA is your post-tax income, but it grows completely tax-free So when you take it out, you don't pay tax at all.
Any other questions? So you're all okay in giving your money to Uncle Sam? No questions. Okay, anything else you want to share, Aarti?
No, just think about your taxes, your pay scale, when you're negotiating your salary or when you're starting a venture. Think about, what can you do ahead of time. And then US is a progressive tax jurisdiction, which means that as your income increases, the tax will go up too. And there is state income tax, and there is not just the federal, there is Social Security, and there is Medicare, and all kinds of taxes together. So just be aware.
That's good. We are actually, you mentioned that having a good CPA, attorney, and doctor is a good thing for anyone to have. So I'm
Yeah.
hoping that we will have one of each from this group, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
The
Certified public accountant, right?
Yeah, they are the ones who helps with the tax for the companies, individuals.
Yes.
She's actually
So
CPA. She helps companies with their taxes. They were asking about CPA.
yeah, it is a professional certification that you do. There are 4 exams. So you just clear them and you become a CPA.
Okay, any questions? Yeah, this is actually really good for us to start having the conversations with. We are also having this club every Tuesday. So there will be more questions. So I might bring it to you or I'll try to answer them.
Definitely more than happy to help. Um, you know, yeah, good luck with your studies and good luck with your club activities. And thanks for the opportunity to speak with you guys today.
Yes, thank you for speaking with us, Arthi Auntie. I appreciate it.
Welcome. Yeah, no problem. Take
Thank
care,
you.
you guys.
Thank you, Aarti.
Thanks. Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Now you have to stop.
There's the Zoom.
That was it. Wow.
Did you guys ask more questions?